Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can easily get a loan from this Lloyds Bank. So here you can see I'm on the lloydsbank.com, the official website, where they are offering some personal loan and different types of loan like existing this home improvement loan, card loan, debt consolidation, holiday loan, wedding loan, and more. You can borrow more from here. So if you want to get it easily, then you can do is see before get a QR code before you apply. So see how much your loan would cost. So make sure that you have aware about this. If they will also tell you how quickly you are to be approved. So then getting a code won't affect your credit score. So it could be like this, and it is actually a free loan code. You have to simply log on to your account now for your free loan code. You can get a free loan code, and it will take some time. It can take some around 1 to 2 business days. So you can get a quote, and they can actually get to you and talk about how much they can actually give you as loan and how much would it cost. So here you can see some important information that how much they lend, and the rate available are dependent on their assessment of your circumstances. So you must be age of 18 or over and a UK resident. You must have had a Lloyds Bank's current account for at least 1 month. So if you have a Lloyds Bank account for 1 month, or it is old 1 month old, then you can simply easily apply for this loan. And first you have to simply log into your account and get a code for this loan, this personal loan or any type of loan. Then they will get to you, and you can actually talk about that your personalized interest rate and how much it would cost you each month, and what the total cost of the loan would be. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.